I'm here in the forest and look what I found today.
Wild strawberries. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look at that. They're just starting. Here's some more little plants. Tiny, tiny.
Very, very cool. Oh, here's more.
Oh, these are so cute. Wow, this forest is just full of amazing things. I want to eat it. I wonder if we should try. Let's see. Look how pretty it is. It's tiny, so tiny. I gotta give it a go.
Alright, here it is. Let's see. Oh my god. They're so good. Sweet, a little bit sour, but awesome. Love it.